In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find more Telegram channels. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open any web browser of your choice and search for Telegram channel link. Then press enter. From the search results, look for tlgrm.eu and open it. This website allows you to discover interesting Telegram channels across a wide range of topics. For example, you can browse channels by using hashtags such as #movies. If you find a channel that matches your interests, simply click on it and then select subscribe. You'll be redirected to the Telegram app, where you can tap join to join the channel. You could also search for channels by name or description. For example, I'm going to search for crypto and press enter. You can enter any keyword related to your interests or niche. As you can see, there are many cryptocurrency related channels listed in the search results. If you'd like to join one, simply click on the channel. For this example, I'll select Tonguecoin. Then click subscribe, and you'll be redirected to the channel in the Telegram app. Tap join to become a member. After joining a channel, you may notice a similar channel section. These recommendations are usually related to the same topic. In this case, you'll find other cryptocurrency-related channels that you can explore and join if they match your interests. Another way to discover channels is by browsing categories. You can choose from categories such as politics, videos and movies, entertainment, books, music, news, education, technology, games and apps, blogs, and many more. For example, if you select the technology category, you'll see a list of technology-related channels. Simply choose a channel you're interested in, click subscribe, and join it through the Telegram app just as we did earlier. And that's it. You now know how to find and join more Telegram channels. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more informative videos like this one. Thanks for watching.